cold and raining, dark before the dawn could come. How long in twilight waiting, longing for the rising sun. You came like crashing thunder, breaking through these walls of stone. You came with wide-eyed wonder into all this great unknown. Hush now, don't you be afraid. I promise you I'll always stay. I'll never be that far away. I'm right here with you. You're so amazing. You shine like the stars. You're so amazing. The beauty you are. You came amazing right into my heart. You're so amazing. You are. You You came from heaven, shining breath of God still fresh on you. The beating heart inside me crumbled at this one so new. No matter where, how far you wander.
Happy anniversary, sweetie. Happy anniversary. Love you. I love you. We should go to the airport. So excited to go to Hawaii. We have to go.